Today, we're diving into a head-to-head comparison of two standout all-season tires, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 and the Hankook Kinergy 4S2. These tires have been making waves in the market, praised for their versatility and performance across different driving conditions. Let's break down how they stack up against each other and help you decide which tire suits your needs best. First, let's talk about wet performance. Wet conditions are where the Hankook Kinergy 4S2 truly shines. It has a remarkable grip on wet roads, stopping 0.6 meters shorter than the Michelin CrossClimate 2 in wet braking tests. Plus, it excelled in wet handling, navigating a wet track 1.9 seconds faster than the CrossClimate 2. In terms of aquaplaning, the Kinergy 4S2 leads again, with higher straight aquaplaning resistance, making it the go-to choice for superior wet performance. When the sun is out and roads are dry, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 takes the lead in dry braking, stopping quicker than the Kinergy 4S2. This makes it an excellent choice for everyday dry road conditions. However, when it comes to dry handling, both tires are neck and neck, delivering comparable lap times on the dry track. For those dealing with snowy conditions, the CrossClimate 2 is the clear winner. It outperforms the Kinergy 4S2 in snow traction, braking, and handling, making it a reliable companion in winter weather. If a quieter ride is what you seek, the Hankook Kinergy 4S2 edges out the CrossClimate to so slightly. In the world of rolling resistance, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 is the champion. Its lower rolling resistance means better fuel efficiency, making it a more eco-friendly choice. In summary, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 excels in snow traction, braking, and handling, making it the go-to choice for reliable winter performance. On the other hand, the Hankook Kinergy 4S2 shines with superior wet braking, handling, and aquaplaning resistance, ensuring safety and control on rainy days. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.